losing all my slime right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my video again. We're gonna make sticky slime. I love sticky slime, so we put it up to number 20. Add the slime, so we're gonna pour up to 20. Okay, that looks good. Now we're gonna add more slime. So I guess I just put it to 20 again. I just put a date in. Okay. Gotta make it bigger. So I have orange and black and blue. And that's it. This is gonna make the color in the slime. Whoa! Whoa, black. Whoa, I'm gonna mix it. Whoa. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whoa! You guys, this is super so sticky. I'm gonna count to 15 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whoa! It looks like a blender. I'm gonna add more color. Whoa, it feels like so sticky and gluey. Alright, I'm gonna pick it up. Okay, I just have messed my hands up now. I have to stir it up to 15 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Whoa! Oh my god. OMG! Okay, I'm gonna get up. And look how brown. I'm gonna do this. It feels like so sticky and gluey and all trapped onto my hands. And when I put my color in that I put in, it had changed it into brown. Okay, it's making a mess, and I'm losing all my slime right now. Well, you guys, that's how you make slime. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. And that's science.